Hey everyone, welcome back to day 7 of the 24-day Python coding challenge. You're making great progress, and today, we're diving into one of the most powerful data structures in Python, lists. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what a list is and how to create one, how to access and modify elements in a list, how to remove and sort items efficiently. So let's jump right in. What is a list? A list in Python is an ordered collection that can store multiple values in a single variable. Unlike some other data types, lists can hold different types of values such as numbers, text, or even a mix of both. Let's look at some examples. A list of numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40. A list of words, apple, banana, cherry. A mixed list, 5, hello, 3.14, true. To define a list, we use square brackets. Think of a list as a shopping list. You write down multiple items in an ordered sequence, and you can add, remove, or change them anytime. Accessing list elements, 130 to 230. Now that we have a list, how do we access the values inside it? Lists are indexed, which means each item has a position, starting from 0, 0. Let's say we have a list of fruits. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. To access the first item, print fruits 0 #output apple. To access the last item, we can use negative indexing. Print fruits -1 #output cherry. This is useful when we want to access items from the end of the list without counting their positions. Modifying lists. Lists are mutable, meaning we can change, add, or remove items after creating them. Here's how we can modify a list. To change an item, simply assign a new value. Fruits 1 equals orange #changes banana to orange. Print fruits #output apple, orange, cherry. To add a new item at the end, use .append. Fruits.append grape #adds grape to the list. To insert an item at a specific position, use .insert. Fruits.insert 1 pineapple #adds pineapple at index 1. Lists are super flexible and allow us to modify them as needed. Removing and sorting items, 330 to 430. Sometimes, we need to remove items from a list. Python gives us multiple ways to do this. To remove an item by value, use .remove. Fruits.remove cherry #removes cherry from the list. To delete an item by index, use del. Del fruits 0 #deletes the first item, apple. We can also sort a list using .sort. For example, if we have a list of numbers. Numbers equals 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. Numbers.sort. Print numbers #output 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. Sorting makes it easier to organize data in ascending or descending order. Day 7 task, 4:30 to 5:30. Now it's your turn. Here's what you need to do for today's challenge. Create a list of your favorite programming languages. Modify an item in the list. Remove an item from the list. Print the final list. Once you're done, share your progress using the hashtag 24dayPython challenge. Great job today! You now know how to create, modify, and manage lists in Python.